Wow! So big!
Nag-video siguro sila, no? Ano mo wala bawa?
Ay, kamu man. Look at Ming. Ming. Ming, 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 Ming. You have blue and your eyes. What, yellow or green?
You want more chicken?
Wow. That's a lot. And then it's janitor, it's not an alligator.
There's a lot of catfish.
Catfish?
Yes,
There's catfish?
Yes, there is.
Wow, tilapia pa. Oh, wow, 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 wow.
Mommy, what's the
Wow,
most
wow,
harmful
wow.
fish? What's the
Wow,
most
ganay nila tanawon ay.
What's the most harmful fish?
Eel? Jellyfish?
I think
It's
it's shark.
jellyfish.
I think it's shark.
It's eating my fingers. Oh, wow.
Try to give them food.
Oh, kadami nila. Ang ganda talaga.
I got a tiny stone.
No, bawal mag-throw ng stone there.
Why?
Nakaka-dirty ang ilahang house. Ang ano nila.
But there's also leaves. Okay. Oh, a tiny one.
Wow, lingaw kayo. Again ha, matakot naman gud ako
About
mag-anuhan.
one leaf. They're eating my leaf.
Wow, kabig niya. Oh.
They're eating my leaf. That I just dropped in there. Funny.
Super nice.
Eat my leaf.
Ooh, wow, yellow and red, orange. Super duper nice. Ay, ang mahal kaya nito. What's koi fish? Koi fish. Wow.
Tomato. He ate my leaf. I'm gonna give them more leaves so that they can grow by just eating it. Wow.
Wow, swim here.
Oh, there's a golden one. But see, there's so many fish over here.
Wako ka video sa fish. Na. Ah.
Isip-isip lang. Isip-isip pa ata na. Dalawa pa. Dalawa pa. Dapat dalawang grupo.
Nice here. Watch it this. Wow, just look here. Wow, nice view. Nice dito, extra view. Wow. Magbaba na kids. Kinatatake ako. Oh, down there. Makikita ako. Just all down. Wow, panoramic yung view. Ang ganda talaga ng may akasya yung paligid. Pag magtingin ka sa ulap, sa sky, meron siyang art. Tapos parang feel ko parang holy yung dating ng yung surroundings mo kapag meron siyang acacia tree. Okay, that's a quick tour. Tingnan natin. May tangke rin yan. Yan yung hall. May birthday events. At least meron once a week or at least twice a month or at least once a month. Nung may family ano tayo. Magsama-sama. Baga para mapalapit din tayo sa isa't isa. Importante din talaga yung mag-banding para yung communication mas mapa-clear at mapatibay pa yung banding sa pamilya. No? Hindi maglabo-labo yung relationship. That's the most important. Yung happy lang,